It's a human body quiz. 50 questions. How much can you answer? Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? Heart. How many bones are in the adult human body? (206). Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Which blood cells help fight infections? White blood cells. Where does digestion begin? Mouth. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Kidney. How many chambers does the human heart have? Four. Which muscle is responsible for breathing? Diaphragm. What part of the eye controls light entry? Iris. Which system controls hormones? Endocrine system. What is the smallest bone in the body? Stapes. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. What type of joint is the knee? Hinge. Which vitamin is made from sunlight? Vitamin D. What carries oxygen in blood? Hemoglobin. Which organ stores bile? Gallbladder. How many lungs do humans have? Two. Brain and spinal cord belong to? Central nervous system. Main function of red blood cells? Oxygen transport. Which organ detoxifies chemicals? Liver. What connects muscles to bones? Tendons. Hard outer layer of tooth. Enamel. Ear part for balance. Semicircular canals. Longest bone in body. Femur. Where are most nutrients absorbed? Small intestine. System responsible for movement. Skeletal and muscular systems. What protects the brain? Skull. Universal donor blood type. O negative. Which organ produces urine? Kidney. Where is DNA found in a cell? Nucleus. Which system removes waste? Excretory system. How many teeth does an adult have? (32). Which organ regulates body temperature? Skin. Platelets are for? Blood clotting. Which organ produces bile? Liver. Heart muscle type. Cardiac muscle. Which is a respiratory organ? Trachea. Main function of large intestine? Absorb water. Sense organ for smell? Nose. Basic unit of life? Cell. Which organ breaks down fats? Liver. What connects bone to bone? Ligament. Organ controlling blood sugar? Pancreas. Which system fights disease? Immune system. Main function of ribs? Protection. Brain part for thinking? Cerebrum. Liquid part of blood? Plasma. Which organ stores urine? Bladder. System with hair, skin? Integumentary system.